Hello, my friends. How are you today? Good? Super good. My friends, today we are going to start a very nice experiment, okay? You need to grab a cup or some bowl, whatever you want, okay? You're going to pour vinegar and then dip an egg inside. Then you have to cover and wait for 5 days, and then we are going to see what happened to your egg, okay? Don't forget to write the day that you started, and then 5 days later, you're going to uncover, take the egg off, and see what happened with the eggshell. The eggshell is hard, but I don't think it's going to keep that hard. After 5 days, dip it in the vinegar, okay? After 5 days, you're going to open your book on page 51 and draw what happened to your egg. I'm going to ask you to show to your friends in our class on Friday, okay? Okay, my friends, have fun!